southern New Jersey. Central Camden County in southern New Jersey. Central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Central Salem County in southern New Jersey until 2:30 p.m. At 10:27 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, Glassboro, Lindenwood, Belmore, Woodbury, Hickman, Clayton, and Berlin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 12, in between mile markers 29 and 41. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 36 and 44. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 2 and 4. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.